So today we'll be doing some problems on geometry. So let us see the first problem. The ratio between the length and breadth of a rectangular park is 3:2. If a man cycling around the boundary of the park at a speed of 12 kilometers per hour completes one round in 8 minutes, then the area of the park is. So what has been given is there is a rectangular park. The length and breadth are in ratio 3x and 2x. Now man is cycling around the boundary of the park at a speed of 12 kilometers per hour, completes one round in 8 minutes. That means perimeter of the speed is 12 kilometers per hour and time taken is 8 minutes. Suppose the park is A, B, C, D. So to cycle around it in 8 minutes means to cover its perimeter. This means the perimeter of the park is 12 kilometers per hour. Let us convert into meters per second. 10 by 3 meters per second and 10 by 3 into 8. 8 into 60 minutes seconds. 1600 meters is the perimeter of the park. Now 2 into L plus B given to be 1600. This means 2 into 3x plus 2x is 1600. 10x is 1600. X is 160. Hence, the length of the park is 3 into 160, 480 meters, and breadth of the park is 2 into 160, 320 meters. Therefore, area of the park is length into breadth 480 into 320 meters square. Now 48 into 32 we can do. 1536, 1,53,600 meters square. So this is the answer. This is the area of the park. That is what is being asked. Then the area of the park in square meters is 1,53,600 meters square. Let us move on to the next question. The ratio between the perimeter and the breadth of the rectangle is 5:1. If the area of the rectangle is 216 square centimeter, what is the length of the rectangle? The ratio between perimeter and breadth of the rectangle is 5:1. So ratio between perimeter and breadth of the rectangle is given, which means 2 into L plus B divided by B is given to be 5:1. So 2L plus 2B equal to 5B. 2L equal to 3B, or L equal to 3 by 2B. If the area of the rectangle is 216 square centimeter, the area is L into B is 216. Now L into B is given to be 3. L we have found out to be equal to 3 by 2B. So 3 by 2B into B is 216. So 3 by 2B square is 216. This is 3 7 is 21, 3 2 is 6. B square equal to 144. So B is equal to 12 under root of 144, which is 12. So breadth has come out to be 12 centimeter. What is being asked is, what is the length of the rectangle? The length of the rectangle is 3 by 2B. So 3 by 2L equal to 3 by 2 into B is 12. 18 centimeter is the length of the rectangle. 18 centimeter is the required answer. Now, the third question is, the percentage increase in the area of the rectangle if each of its sides is increased by 20%. So let the area of the rectangle be L into B. Now length is increased by 20%. So L is increased to be 1.2 L and B is increased to be 1.2 B. So the new area A dash is 1.2 L into 1.2 B. This is 1.44 LB. The initial area was LB. The new area is 1.44 LB. So change in area A dash minus A is 1.44 LB minus LB, 0.44 LB. And this change has occurred upon the original area A. So the change in area is 0.44 LB divided by LB into 100. This is 44%. So the percentage increase in area of the rectangle if each of its side is increased by 20% is 44%. So I hope the concepts are clear. Now let us see question number 5. A towel when bleached was found to have lost 20% of its length and 10% of its breadth. The percentage decrease in area is. So let the original length be L and the original breadth be B. Now L is decreased by 20%, that means L becomes 0.8 L. And B is decreased by 10%, B becomes 0.9 B. So original area is L into B. The decreased area is A dash 0.8 L into 0.9 B, which is 0.72 LB. So change in area delta A is A minus A dash LB minus 0.72 LB is 0.28 LB. and percentage change is 0.28 lb upon original area lb into 100, which is 28%. 28% is the required answer. So let us move on to another question. Let us see question number 7. The diagonal of a rectangle is square root 41 centimeter. So the diagonal is given to be square root 41 centimeter, and its area is 20 square centimeter. And its area is 20 centimeter square. The perimeter of the rectangle must be. So diagonal of the rectangle is given and its area is given, which means this is the rectangle. Its length is given, its breadth is its diagonal is given, which means L square plus B square is given to be 41 and LB is given to be 20. We have to find the perimeter of the rectangle. So L plus B whole square is equal to L square plus B square plus 2LB. This is 41 plus 2 into 20, 81. So L plus B is equal to root under of 81, which is 9. Root under of 81, which is 9. Now perimeter of the rectangle is 2 into L plus B. 2 into 9, which is 18. 18 centimeter is the required answer. Now let us look at the 9th question. The difference between the length and breadth of the rectangle is 23 meters. If its perimeter is 206 meters, then its area is this is the rectangle given. This is the length and this is the breadth. The difference between length and breadth of the rectangle is 23 meters. So L minus B is 23, given to be 23. If its perimeter is 206, then its area is perimeter at least 2 into L plus B is given to be 206, which means L plus B is equal to 103 and L minus B is given to be 23. So adding these two equations, 2L equal to 126, L equal to 63. So 63 minus B is equal to 23, B equal to 63 minus 23, 40. So length is equal to 63 and B is equal to 40. So its area is L into B. 63 into 40. Four three are 12. 2520 is the required answer. So let us look at the 10th question. The length of the rectangle is halved while its breadth is tripled. What is the percentage change in its area? The length of rectangle is halved. So this is a rectangle. Its length is L, its breadth is B. The length of the rectangle is halved. So length is changed to half L. And breadth is tripled. And breadth is changed to 3B. So original area is L into B. New area A dash is L by 2 into 3B, which is 3 by 2 LB. So change in area is A minus A dash minus A, 3 by 2 LB minus LB is LB by 2. So percentage change in area is LB by 2 divided by LB into 100, which is 50%. So percentage change area is 50%. So I hope the concepts are clear and the questions have been explained very nicely. So we'll conclude this video today and we'll meet again tomorrow to see what else we can do. Thank you.